2024, back at it with another Proclamation review, Series 2. So both boxes pulled up. They're brand new 2 Franco chains they just released with the custom end clasp. Both 24-inch in length and 3mm in width. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're back. 3, 2, 1. Sheesh. Let's get a better look at this. So these are the brand new Franco chains with the custom line and clasp, as you can see. Try to get a better focus. These are beautiful. So these are 3mm, and I would assume the lion is probably 4. But they're detailed all the way around, all the way to the mouth. You can see the mouth. Has a beautiful shine, and it has some weight to it too. So I have 2 of these, as you can see. Both 24-inch in length. You can either wear them just solitaire, both together, or with pendants. So we will put some pendants on them and see how that looks. I just can't get over how nice these chains are. So let's pair them with the pendant. We'll be right back.